So, let's have a brief introduction to gorillas. Gorillas are the largest member of the primate family. 98% of their DNA is identical to humans. They have a significant sexual dimorphism. Gorillas have large canine teeth and a high muscle mass. Despite this, they have a vegetarian diet, which comprises mainly of wild celery and bamboo. Gorillas live in troops of up to 40 individuals. This comprises of a silverback, which is the dominant male, alongside females, juveniles and young males. They are ground-dwelling animals that live in the dense tropical rainforest. There are 4 species. This map shows the distribution of gorillas in Africa. This ranges from Rwanda, Uganda, Cameroon and Nigeria. In 2007, the Gorilla Kingdom opened after 18 months of construction. Costing £5.3 million, the Gorilla Kingdom was built with an aim to increase public interest and provide the gorillas with a better quality of life. The Gorilla Kingdom consists of a large open island surrounded by a moat, with an indoor gym and a back den. It also houses white-cheeked gibbons and Diana monkeys to provide a more natural environment. Let's go take a look.
Here at London Zoo there are currently 4 western lowland gorillas, all of which here were born in captivity. In the wild they are from the Republic of Congo and the Congo in Midland Africa. Behind me here there are 4 gorillas, one of which is a silverback male and 3 others are females. The silverback male here is called Bobby and was rescued from a circus which was found travelling around Europe about 20 years ago.
So now we've seen their home, but what do the staff at ZSL actually do to help conserve genetic diversity between captive populations? ZSL are part of the EEP, which provide interlinked breeding programs. Stud books are kept for each individual, which contain information about ancestry, sex and age, so that the module leader in Frankfurt can decide which individuals should breed in order to maintain the gene pool. Day books are also kept to record information about these transactions and daily activity. This makes the management of these animals much easier. Furthermore, operant conditioning and enrichment programs are used in order to encourage natural behaviours seen in the wild.
As you can see, the keepers do a lot for species enrichment at ZSL London Zoo for the gorillas. There are a large amount of things for them to do inside as well as outside. In this inside enclosure behind me, they have a lot of ropes, tubs, boxes and food for them to play with while they are inside. Their outside enclosure is large and green and has several lakes in it which they can bathe in. But why do we need to conserve gorillas?
There is lots of conservation work occurring overseas to protect the gorillas. In 1991, WWF, along with Fauna and Flora International and the African Wildlife Foundation, co-founded the International Gorilla Conservation Programme, along with the protected area authorities of the governments of Rwanda, Uganda and the Congo. Since then, the gorilla numbers have almost doubled. The IGCP focuses on encouraging regional collaboration between Rwanda, Uganda and the Congo, working in close partnership with the park staff of all 3 countries. A vital part of these activities is to implement more sophisticated monitoring and patrolling techniques throughout the protected areas, alongside helping to meet the needs of the local people. By encouraging sustainable use of resources, providing jobs and generating an economic input, whilst tackling other local issues via a range of community initiatives such as hospitals, the programme is influencing attitudes to conservation at all levels and reducing the threats facing gorillas, parks and other wildlife.